Welcome to the future. Imagine a space where young minds are given the keys to unlock the mysteries of artificial intelligence and programming. This is not a dream, but a reality in our school's state-of-the-art computer laboratory. Equipped with the latest technology, high-speed internet, and unlimited access, the lab is a playground for the curious and the ambitious. Here, every child's potential is nurtured, their curiosity sparked, with resources readily available at their fingertips. Our teachers, experts in their fields, guide these young explorers with dedication and passion. They motivate, inspire, and lead students down the exciting paths of AI and programming. Choosing our school is more than just a decision about education. It's about paving the path for your child's future, setting them up for success in an ever-evolving digital world. Welcome to the future where every child is a potential innovator. Welcome to our school.